Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Getting your work Outlook email on your phone is a common and easy process. First, you'll need the official Microsoft Outlook app. Head to your phone's App Store, that's the App Store for iPhones, or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Search for Microsoft Outlook and download the application. Once it's installed, open the Outlook app. It will prompt you to add an email account. Tap on the Add Account to begin. Now, carefully type in your full work email address. This is typically in the format of your .name@yourcompany.com. The app is designed to intelligently detect your company's server settings automatically in most cases. Next, you will enter your work email password. This is the exact same password you use to log into your computer or access your webmail at work. Occasionally, your company might have additional security requirements. This could involve a multi-factor authentication prompt, where you receive a verification code on another device, or it might direct you to install a specific company portal app. Simply follow any on-screen instructions your organization's security setup provides. Once successfully authenticated, the app may request permissions to access your calendar, contacts, or send notifications. Grant these permissions to ensure your email, calendar events, and contacts sync correctly. In just a few short moments, your entire work inbox will be accessible right on your phone, enabling you to efficiently manage emails, review your calendar, and reach your contacts while you're away from your desk. It's a simple way to stay connected and productive.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.